I'm Alabama bound. Don't want no heebie-jeebies hanging around. Just gave the meanest ticket man on earth. Whoa, all I'm worth to plant my tootsies in an upper berth to hear that choo-choo sound. I know that soon we're gonna cover ground, so I will shout it so the world can know. Here I go, I'm Alabama